In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Blackbox AI in VS Code. By the end, you'll have the Blackbox AI extension installed and ready inside your editor, so you can tap into AI-assisted coding without any hassle. First, open Visual Studio Code on your computer. If you haven't launched it in a while, give it a second to load your workspace and make sure you have a stable internet connection. That connection is important because we're about to fetch the extension from the marketplace. You don't need to prepare any files for this. Having the editor open is enough. Next, look to the left side of the window for the activity bar. Find the icon that looks like four small squares forming a larger square. That's the extensions view. Click it to open the extensions panel. This is where you can discover, install, and manage everything that extends VS Code's capabilities. If your layout feels tight, you can widen the panel by dragging its edge so the search results are easier to read. At the top of the extensions panel, you'll see a search box. Click that search field and type Blackbox AI. As you type, VS Code will start listing matches from the marketplace. Take a moment to confirm you're selecting the correct extension by reading the title carefully and glancing at the description. You'll usually see indicators like download counts and ratings that help you identify the official listing. If you don't see it right away, double check the spelling and give the results a second to populate. Once you've found the Blackbox AI extension page, click into it to view more details. Here you can scan the overview, supported languages, and any notes about compatibility. When you're ready, click the install button. VS Code will show progress in the status area, and the button will update once the installation is complete. That change from install to options like disable or uninstall is a handy confirmation that everything went through. If you notice a brief delay, that's normal while VS Code fetches and sets up the files in the background. After the installation finishes, the extension is available in your editor. You can keep coding as usual, and the extension will be ready the next time you open a project. If you ever need to review its settings or notes, return to the extensions panel and open its details page again. That's all you need to install Blackbox AI in VS Code. Open VS Code, open extensions, search for Blackbox AI, and click install. Thanks for following along and enjoy your upgraded coding experience.